Now, this is my second best favorite tool that I didn't know I needed until I got it. My first one was given to me by a guy that I trained that came from Australia, and he brought this with me for a gift. Everybody saw it, they liked it, and I ended up selling mine and not having it. Somebody just wanted it so bad. And so now we are going to be stocking these and having these. Now, what you imagine is in here? It's a magnifier. Ta-da! This has a couple of different solutions that I didn't know I had a problem with. Number one is it lights up so you can see what you're looking at well. It also has a grid in here that you can measure what you're looking at. So like on the scissor parts, if I need to know what size something is, I can look right down into it and see the size. Now, here's the trick. A lot of people get this and they're like, oh, this doesn't work. It just doesn't, I can't get it to focus. Here's the key. You do not put it to your eye. Don't put it to your eye. You're going to put it to whatever you want to look at. So let's say I want to look at this little design in the shears. So I would put it on here. And then I would bring this up to my eye. Let's say I want to look at the rod line. Put it on the rod line, bring it up to my eye. You can see whatever you're looking at. Don't try to do this. It's just not going to work. Lay it on whatever you're looking at. It's got, that's why it has like a little indent here till you get to the lens. You can't scratch the lens up by laying it on something. And look at it and bring it up to your eye. Ooh, this looks good. Let's see if you can see it in here. Here's the screw on these shears. You see? Look how nice that magnifies. And you see the little scale in there as I turn it back and forth? So you can see, you can measure whatever you're looking at. Cool, isn't it? Kids are going to steal this and play with it. This little thing, I was wondering, I was kind of curious, what is that? It's so that you can lay it down on the table on something and you've got the same height on it. So it looks good if you're like in a salon and you're wanting to show them the nick on their shears or something wrong with their shears. It just looks really cool to pull this out and show them how to look at it. They're also, your customers are impressed when you're looking at things. Don't spend all your time with this. I mean, we got to get in there and sharpen and get out of there, right? But it's fun. And I don't use this on every shear that I sharpen, but I find this essential. If you like some of the things we share on our channel, whether it's products or it's how-to or just all things that sharpeners need to know, please subscribe, share it to your channel if you have a channel for sharpeners, and also like and comment. Give me questions about things that you like, but also tell me below if there's some kind of item you've come across that we need to know about that all the sharpeners should be using. And I hope to see you at the Sharpeners Jam. Come and share your new ideas there. You might win a prize.